Do you want to make an extra $1,000 each month? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we will discuss 10 different ways that you can generate passive income. Passive income is a great way to make money without having to work very hard. All of these methods are relatively easy to implement, and some of them can even be started with little or no money. So what are you waiting for? But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. Let's dive into the video. Number 10. Sponsored posts on social media. This is a great way to make some extra money each month without having to do any extra work. All you need to do is find a brand or businesses that you think your followers would be interested in and then post about them on your social media accounts. Make sure to tag the brand in your posts so they can see it, and then you can negotiate a price for each post. Number 9. Create an app. This is a great passive income idea because people are always using apps. If you can create an app that people will want to use, you can make money passively. Creating an app does require some upfront work, but once it is created, you can earn money passively from the app. To make $1,000 a month from your app, you will need to generate about $33 per day. This may seem like a lot, but if you have a popular app, it is possible to make this much money. There are a few ways to generate revenue from your app. You can charge people to download the app, or you can include ads in the app. You can also offer in-app purchases for people who want to use additional features of your app. If you have a popular app, you can make a lot of money passively by charging people to use it. Number 8. Dividend stocks. If you're looking for a more passive income stream, stocks that pay dividends can be a great option. You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares and grow your income even further. To be successful with this passive income idea, you'll need to research companies that have a history of paying dividends. You'll also want to make sure you diversify your portfolio so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. With a little bit of effort up front, dividend stocks can be a great way to generate passive income. You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares and grow your income even further. To be successful with this passive income idea, you'll need to research companies that have a history of paying dividends. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. If you're looking for a more hands-off way to make some money, peer-to-peer lending might be a good option. With this method, you lend money to others in need and receive interest payments on your loan. While you will have to do some research to find reputable borrowers, this can be a very passive form of income. There are a few different platforms you can use to get started with peer-to-peer lending, such as Lending Club and Prosper. As with any investment, there is always some risk involved, but if you choose your borrowers carefully, you could earn a decent return on your investment. Number 6. Sell photography online. If you're a photography enthusiast, why not sell your photos online? There are plenty of stock photography websites that will allow you to upload and sell your photos. And, if you're lucky, someone might even buy the rights to one of your photos. This can be a great way to earn some passive income each month. To get started, create an account on a stock photography website and start uploading your photos. Then, set up a PayPal account so you can get paid for your sales. And that's it. Just sit back and wait for the sales to come in. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. If you have an engaging personality, love sharing your passions with others, and are willing to put in the time and effort, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn some extra cash. You can make money through YouTube's partner program, which allows you to monetize your videos through ads. To be eligible for the partner program, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. While this may seem like a lot, if you consistently upload high-quality content, you can reach these numbers relatively quickly. And once you do, you'll be able to start earning money from your YouTube channel. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. If you don't want to create your own products or services, you can promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. This is called affiliate marketing, and it's a great way to make money passively. There are plenty of platforms where you can sign up for affiliate programs, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Once you're approved for an affiliate program, you can start promoting products and earning a commission on every sale. To be successful with affiliate marketing, it's important to choose the right products to promote. You should promote products that you're familiar with and that you believe in. It's also important to choose products that offer a high commission rate so that you can make a good income from your affiliate sales. Number 3. Rental income. One of the best ways to make passive income is through rentals. You can either rent out a room in your house or an entire property. If you have good credit, you can even get a loan to purchase a rental property. Then, you can collect rent each month from your tenants and use that money to cover the mortgage, taxes, and other expenses. If you do it right, you can even make a significant profit each month from your rental income. Just be sure to factor in the cost of repairs and vacancies when you're calculating your monthly earnings. Number 2. Write an ebook. This is a great passive income idea because once you write it, you can sell it over and over again. And, if you price it correctly, you can make $1,000 a month or more in royalties. Plus, writing an ebook is a great way to build your brand and authority as an expert in your field. If you're not sure what to write about, try thinking of a niche topic that you're passionate about and that you know people are searching for information on. For example, if you love makeup, you could write an ebook all about makeup tips and tricks. If you love hiking, you could write an ebook about the best hiking trails in your area. Whatever you choose to write about, make sure it's something you're passionate about so that the writing process is enjoyable for you. And, most importantly, make sure it's something people are actually searching for information on so that your ebook will sell. Number 1. Create a course. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular area, you can create a course and sell it online. This is a great way to earn passive income, as people will pay for access to your course content. You can create a video-based course, an audio-based course, or even a text-based course. The sky's the limit. To get started, create a sales page for your course and promote it through your social media channels. You can also create a landing page to increase conversion rates. Once you have students enrolled, you can start creating content and delivering value. Those are the 10 passive income ideas to make $1,000 a month. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.